It's a pretty cool Buddhist temple up that way. I don't know how I can film it. I'd have to walk all the way around, but actually that's not gonna be our focus anyways. There's a school right here as well, but we're gonna go down Rua de Viseu. What's in there? Okay, that's kind of curious. Big construction with a tall building. All right. Well, anyways, we're gonna be heading down that way. So Rua de Viseu. Let's go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, that's Rua de Viseu. Let's see. So that's that view. That's the Buddhist temple over there. There's a really beautiful Buddhist temple. I wish we could film it a little bit better. Then you got some, I think this is like Taobao. Got a school right here as well. Yeah, there's a temple right there. There's a Buddhist temple right there. So there's a Buddhist temple right next to this building. And there's also some stuff kind of up in the hills a little bit too. And actually there's a way to get up there as well through this temple. That might be another whole other video right there. But anyways, then you have this courtyard as well. Looks pretty cool. So here's Rua de Viseu. There's a Cafe Gina. Let's just kind of walk this way. I'm gonna walk on this side of the street because there's more stuff. There's a little cafe right here. Cafe Gina. Here's a car shop, so they sell cars here. And this one right here is School of Nations. So that's a Baha'i Faith school. Got a little plaza here with all kinds of interesting stuff. Properties. Kind of makes you curious what properties cost in this area. So that's part of School of Nations right there. So all those little balconies in that space. Bonfire Garden is the name of this one. I think that's a dog. Okay. Got a flower shop. Okay, so now we got kind of a nice School of Nations down that way. And this one right here I think is called Our Residence, so it looks kind of interesting. Actually these ones are up on a hill. That might actually be a good one to film as well. So that's a School of Nations, that's the Buddhist temple, and then you got this whole little stuff all the way here, and Our Residence up that way. And here's our street sign. And I got an empty lot right here, so I wonder what they're gonna do with that. Rua de Viseu. Rua de Viseu. Residence. Oh yeah. And that's all Taipa. That looks kind of cool right there. That brown building. Oh, that's Grand Dragon Hotel. Oh, there's a hotel right there. Not bad. Yoho Twin, so there's a whole vacant lot right there, so I don't know what they're gonna do with that one, but that's IKEA, there's Nova, and then these are all like Central Taipa Park right there. And this is Yoho Twin, so you kind of have these cool looking glass everything in this space. I don't really walk in the street very often, so it's kind of interesting. Got couches in here. Opening soon. It's like a weight room here. Okay, let's kind of venture across the street a little bit. I want to capture this from reflection from the Grand Dragon Hotel there. Okay, so here's the Yoho Twins. So that's what the Yoho Twins look like. Those giant windows. I wonder how much is and you can actually go up this hill a little bit too. I think there's a way that's way over there. So if we do want to do it, we can. Might actually do that. Grand Dragon Casino over there. That could be a whole other video, just going up there. So those are residents. And then yeah, that's Grand Taipa up there. What are we at time-wise? We're at 5 minutes already. So yeah, there's an entrance up there to get up to that wall up above. So we might actually take that. The street I don't really walk it, of course. There's not really much commercial businesses or anything like that. So it's kind of interesting to see it. What have you seen? Somebody puts their dirty laundry right there. Not their dirty laundry, their drying laundry. Who would ABC? Let's get across here. Kind of interesting too, right? So yeah, this is Rua de Viseu. I don't know if it's French Viseu or Portuguese. The way they spell it kind of sounds like a French word. Anyways, we're gonna keep walking down Rua de Viseu. There's a lot of, it's a cool looking car. Dang, smart car. It's really cool. Huntington Beach, it says. Cool. Llama. Fried chicken. All right, so we're just gonna go a little bit further. There's a robot right there. Like one of those COVID robots. They check your temperature. Taipa, it looks like. Yeah, I guess we go down. King's Car Service. So there's kind of some car stuff down here. There's King's Car Service right there. Holistic Steam Education Learning Center. Okay. Trading company. King's Car Service. Other King's Car Service. So I guess they got kind of a stretch of property there. And we're just gonna go up a little bit further. We're basically gonna go up there and then we're gonna film looking down below. Then we're gonna do a whole other video where we walk down that street up there. Yeah, I never really walked down Rua de Viseu. Bunch of residential stuff up here. It's cool. Nice windows. Yeah, once we get up there, we have a view of the whole Viseu. Rua de Viseu. Yeah, we'll just film all the way down there from. Yeah, I've never really walked down this way. We're still on Rua de Viseu. Whoa, King's. Advertisement for that King's, that little car area. And we're gonna be up on top of that in a second. Just gonna walk into this place right here. And then we're gonna film. We're across from Jockey Club right now. So Macau Jockey Club, and also the light train system is like right there. Okay. So that's our view. So we just went down that one right there. Rua de Viseu. So we started over by the Buddhist temple and we ended up down here. Now we have this view of this rooftop. Later we're gonna do another video where we're gonna go down that street and kind of follow that ridge with all those housing down that way. That's kind of cool that we were in front of that residential not too long ago. And over here we have this one as well, and you have that all the way down. And that all the way up. Pretty tall building. Okay, so that's Eau de Viseu.
Chiquinha, chiquinha.